Hello, friends. Happy January. We're in the doldrums, deep in the doldrums. But also, it's use it or lose it time, and I feel like Marie and I both have made some. I nabbed this Happy Holidays tips from her. She had exactly 2 strips, so that's perfect. And then I've got Fleece on Earth, this one here. And You'll Be Delighted, which I've opened this a good 6 or 7 times. So it's not using it up, but I am using it. And Marie's got
Rainbow Whisperer, which was a new one.
Yep.
Because it's just so pretty.
It is.
Pretty in purple.
It
and
really
and
is.
You see, we both have deer.
We do have our little
and
stags
then
on.
I had 2 twosies of this snowberry, and I see that I never ordered it.
Yeah.
I looked in my...
Isn't it funny how that works out? Like, yeah. You don't even notice it until it's gone. You know, I was thinking this Fleece on Earth, back when I did my very first order from Color Street, which was in the spring, I ordered this set.
Oh, okay.
Because they never used to remove stuff. They would leave it up there, and I mean, it took a lot before they were taking stuff down. So, you know, now, of course, we wouldn't get that chance because they kind of go through them too quick.
Because they want you to have that fear of missing out. So why I'm doing 2 layers on my little finger is this one that I wanted to use in my size was the plain strip, and I didn't want that on my little finger. And this isn't wide enough because that's the tiny strip.
The tiny one, yeah.
So I thought this would give like an outline around it.
Yeah, and it's going to be a pretty outline at that. Now I'm interested to see when you put it on, if the part where it's like lavender, if it'll get darkened up a little bit being over snowberry. It might. I mean, I have no idea, right? Like, I don't know if that's at all sheer, but to me, it feels like it might get a little darker in that middle where it's so soft. Because it is such a soft color there. I do love that set too. I have one of them and I need to.
It is pretty, and
I need to remember to use it in the winter.
So it is a little sheer.
Okay.
You can see here.
Yep, definitely.
Oops.
Yeah. So now I'm excited to see what it does when you, because snowberry's pretty rich. So.
Yep, it's darkening it.
Yep.
You can see.
It is. Oh, beauty. It's a beauty.
Yeah, it definitely darkened it up.
Yep. Not bad, though.
So there's the difference.
Yeah. It gives it a lot more dimension. Lovely. I love it when that happens. You know, as long as it doesn't muddy the waters and make something like, you know, kind of not work at all, then I'm good. Because that didn't make it blah by any means.
No. And you can almost not tell that there's something under it.
Yeah. Yeah, because the bottom blends right in. The darker bits. Snowberry was my vote, friends. She had a bunch of them out.
Yep.
And I'm like, ooh.
And I didn't know if that matched enough. Well, what do you think? What do you think, girls?
Yeah, it's like perfection. I need to look and see. I feel like I also don't know if I have snowberry.
Yeah, I'll have to put it on my wish list.
Yep. I keep a list going for swap and sale.
That's a good idea.
Stuff because, you know, like I just said, they don't leave stuff on long. And if I only get one to give it a go, you know.
Well, and I figure if I have some coming from a stylist, they may have it.
Oh, yeah, true. Yep. You never know what's floating around. That's just it.
Yeah. I gotta put a little extra here.
going to do green on the bottom.
That snowberry is very pretty.
It's gorgeous. It looks great on your skin.
I never really thought about that one.
Yep. Honestly, it's because everything goes so fast.
I know.
Like everything switches up
There's
so
just
fast.
too many.
Yeah, you don't ever get a chance to even think of anything. Like anything. Like, oh, I didn't know that was beautiful because I never got to know it. I know, Fa, you don't care, but it's too fast, buddy. You're too fast, buddy.
That cute little deer head.
Isn't it adorable?
I didn't realize there was a deer head in there at first when I saw it.
Yeah, yes. Oh, I should have put the red on the bottom. Darn, I didn't realize that was that sheer. Or I probably have said that every time I've used it, because I have used the heck out of that set. But I don't know if I just forget sometimes. And it feels like lately, more and more. Look at how much that was sheer.
Oh, wow.
Like.
Do a second layer of it.
Yeah,
Do you have
that's
enough?
true. Yeah. Mm-hmm. But I might not because I'm also going to put nail tape.
Okay.
So that'll make it jazzed up too, I think. Okay.
It's like Beijing Beauty the first time I used that.
Oh, that's dang near a jelly, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So's that old one that's the red with the plaid something.
So this is the big one out of the twofer, and it doesn't even completely cover my ring finger, which is not my biggest finger.
Yeah.
My middle finger needs the little thumb.
I wonder how people, like, when a lot of stylists do, like, craft shows or markets or whatever. I wonder when they're putting twosies on.
What finger they're using.
Yeah. I wonder if they're like, okay, better use a pinky.
Ooh, I'm loving this.
Yeah, that's a very, very use set.
We don't have to do any more videos today, do we?
100. 100. 100. Oh, that is very pretty. Come on up, little sweetie.
Smudge. Come here. Come and say hi to the people. Come here.
Oh, I don't know. I don't like people.
Except for Stacy.
Yeah, we're the loners, aren't we? There you go. See, that is the open space. Is the best spot to lay in. They'll get to see your cute face.
I don't think she's close enough.
Yeah, she is. It's amazing to me how much we take in of our mess. Look at that. Isn't that crazy?
Wow. Wow.
2 very different colors, but I had to do it for fun. I had to change it up for fun. And now that means I'm going to use my non-nailfy hand as my nailfy hand. So people who only see the picture are going to be like, ooh, that's awesome. They're never going to know. They got to watch the video to know. Hi, honey bear.
What do you think, Smudge? Oh.
Purring away. Purring away.
Stacy has taken over Smudge.
Yeah. She's my sweet girl now.
And now Smudge thought she never got attention before, and she got so much while Stacy's here that she will go into withdrawal.
You're gonna have to conference video call me, Smudge, and I'll talk you down.
She goes, but then I won't get pets.
Yeah. She says, I'm here for the pets, lady. I'm here for the head scritching. Oh, now don't even try to get cuter. I know. I will get you after this video.
Stacy did find a cat hair on her nail. And we can't figure out how that happened.
I said, where did this come from? Because I don't get nearly enough of them at home. I come to Marie's to pick up some more. At least I get different color cat hairs here.
Yeah.
Because even your orange kids are darker orange, like a deeper orange than what Panny is.
And I did hear Stacy say that she wanted her next cat to be white, and boy, she is trying to get this one in her suitcase.
I think I could do it.
I think she would go.
Smudgy'd come. But she wouldn't be happy, though, then when she got to my house, because there's 3 other cats there. I think she would love to
be an only cat.
Yeah, just be happily on her own, getting spoiled. I agree with you, little miss. Being on your own, getting spoiled is the way to be, isn't it?
You are awfully cute.
I'm very pretty.
Yeah, she's the elegant one. You're the elegant one.
And I told her she should be on a can of cat food, selling it to people.
She looks like the Fancy Feast cat.
She does. Oh, shoot, I forgot this was a pattern, and I stretched it over, and now my deer look like they've seen better days.
They're bloated?
They are. They got wonky. Hi, pretty. I see you there.
Boy, I tell you, look how that is the color of my nail.
Oh my goodness. That is so soft off the strip. I wouldn't have even expected. Okay, this one over here, I got a knot pull because I really messed that up. This is definitely going to be the nail-fee hand now.
Smudgy, are you being adorable?
I'm leaning in trying to get some pets out of this lady. Yesterday, before one of the videos, I was petting Susie, one of the orange ones, before we started. I lifted, I had my peely base and gelish on, ready to go. I lift my hand up, show Marie. My hand basically looked like an orange-haired troll doll.
Yep.
There was just kitty hairs
stuck
everywhere.
to every finger.
Oh, it was hilarious.
It was.
I said I should have started the video like that. Almost done. Oh, much better. Look what I did to those poor deer.
They're okay.
But these ones are good.
Yeah.
Yeah. I forgot not to stretch it. You do got to remember that when you use an art set. You know, if it is your, you know, kind of your habit to stretch things around a bit. And I don't usually stretch a ton, but on my thumbs, I do try to get them.
Are you so pretty?
She's like, gosh, you guys, I'm looking as cute as I could look. You're looking cute as you could be.
So while I was doing it, I came up with one little change I'm going to do on this.
Really?
We'll see. Because I was so limited with my snowberry, because I only had 2 twosies.
Yes, that's true.
So I couldn't do a full double.
These are the cutest little sweater decals. Now, you used this in a nail miss?
It must have been.
Yeah, so they've seen these. So I'm now using it in my wintry bits. Only on these two, the ones that I made into slants. I think it'll be cute. Oh, little bugger. There we go. And there is a lot, like when you look up, when you guys see up close, you'll be able to see there are a lot of different sweater patterns going on in these 3 strips. So I feel like you can get away with pretty much any. Is just going to add some cuteness more than anything.
So this is what I changed my mind on.
Ooh, I love that though. And you cut those damn thin. Holy man. Look at your skizzer skills.
I kind of like the double.
Yeah.
Got your little white paw in there? Hmm?
Time to make your nails beautiful, Smudgy.
Here, you can have something to play with. Here. Because, oh, I don't know. You may have scared me off now.
Hi, honey. There we go. Ooh, that's cute.
Oh, it is. It looks good on there.
You can't take it, can you? Hi. Yeah. Almost done, little muffin. Hi, honey. Oh, I know. A tappy tap tap. You're so polite. Yes, you are. You're so polite. Yeah.
Yep, she asks nicer than anyone to be pet.
I know. Hang on. Let me get this on, and then I'm all yours for a little bit.
She likes bare arms to tap on.
She is, at night, she's obsessed with grooming me. She'll lick my whole arm clean. And then she says, your turn, lady. Get rid of my stray hairs. When we get between these rounds, Smudge will make your spot back up for you. We'll give you back your area.
She's my table sitter. I know
Yeah.
a lot of people wouldn't be able to stand that there would be a cat on the table. But she never tries to eat my food.
No, none of Marie's cats are biggers. Now, I will warn you, you come to my house with food, and Beef is going to hump your face to get a hold of it.
Yeah.
He loves human food. The other two don't care, but Beef will.
And none of mine really care one way or the other.
Beef doesn't even beg. First he sits there, and then pretty soon you just see a little paw coming into town. Okay, let me show you guys a close-up of these sweaters so you can see. Yeah, they've got a lot of different prints on them. So I think you could get away with any of that, sweater nail tape, which is kind of a popular fill-in. When you get the cute little sweatery stuff, they often fill in, I feel like. And then here, also I can show you that up close, the difference in the red over the green versus under. And I didn't put nail tape over here, you guys, because I'm not leaving these on. I'm not going to waste it on this hand that made me mad. I want it on the pretty hand.
And as you see, this two-sided strip is supposed to fit 2 nails.
Then you get, but it's kind of pretty.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, because it's just the treetops, right?
Yeah.
There we go. Oh, God, that turned out good. We can never do another set.
I like it.
It's really good.
It's fun.
All right, friends, we will see you in February. You never know what's coming. Bye.